Today's story is called The Day I Changed a Thief's Life. I was about 20 years old when I went to work for my uncle in his shoe factory. It was a big factory with lots of workers, and it was noisy and hot inside. One day, I saw an old man stealing from the company. He worked in the warehouse, and I used to see him walk out with boxes of shoes, and he would sell them outside of the factory for cheap. I told my boss, my uncle, but he just laughed. "You can't steal from us," he said. "He only steals old shoes that we throw away. Let him be." But I didn't agree. I wanted to do something. So the next time I saw the old thief taking shoes from the warehouse, I followed him. He took the shoes to a small house in a poor neighborhood. I wanted to talk to him, but I was afraid. What should I say? "Stop stealing." The old man was very poor. Maybe he needed the shoes. Maybe his children needed the shoes. Maybe his wife needed the shoes. I had many questions, but no answers. So I decided to go back to the factory and think about what to do. That night, I thought a lot about the old man and his family. They looked poor. Perhaps they needed the shoes. On the other hand, it wasn't right to steal from my uncle's company. The next morning, I went to the factory and talked to my boss again. "How much money does this old man make?" I asked. "Not much," my uncle answered. "He's a good worker, but he's slow, and he's almost 70 years old. I pay him because I feel sorry for him. You should feel sorry for him too." I felt sorry for the old man, but I still wanted to stop him from stealing. Then I had an idea. I went to the old man in the warehouse and I said, "Do you want a new pair of shoes?" The old man looked at me and said, "Yes, of course." "Well," I said, "my uncle doesn't pay you much, so I want to give you this pair of shoes and some extra money, but I don't want you to steal anymore." The old man looked at me for a few seconds. Then he said, "Thank you, son. Of course I will not steal anymore." And he took the shoes and the money. From that day on, every morning I gave the old man a new pair of shoes and some extra money, and he never stole again. One day I came to work, and the old man was waiting for me in the warehouse. "I have something to tell you," he said. "Yesterday, I found a wallet in the warehouse. It was full of money. I wanted to take it, but then I remembered you. You gave me money and shoes without asking for anything in return. So I brought the wallet here." He took the wallet from his bag and put it on the table. I couldn't believe it. This old man was honest. I felt very proud of myself. I went to my boss and told him about the wallet. "Wow," he said. "I lost my wallet yesterday. I'm so happy you found it." He took the wallet and gave me $100. "Here," he said. "Buy yourself a nice dinner with this." I was very happy. I was proud of myself. I was proud of the old man. And now, I want to tell you something else. I learned 2 important lessons from this story. Lesson number 1, if you want to help someone, you must do it with love. If you want to help someone, don't think about the money. Don't think how much your help will cost you. You must do it with love. For example, maybe I could have given the old man more money or more shoes. But I did it with love, and that was enough. Lesson number 2, when you help someone, don't expect anything in return. The old man didn't steal anymore, and he brought me the wallet. That wasn't part of our deal. When you do something nice for someone, don't ask for anything in return. Now I want to tell you a little more about myself. My name is your name, and I teach you English through stories because I love teaching, and I love learning. I'm from Israel, and I live in a city called Netanya. I've been to many countries, and I want to visit all the countries of the world. I love traveling and meeting new people. I love sharing stories with them and learning their stories. In my free time, I like to read books and watch movies in English. Every week I post a new story here. And I also have a website where I post new stories and exercises every week. With these stories and exercises, You can practice your listening and reading skills and improve your general knowledge. The stories are easy to understand, and the exercises are interesting and fun. Now I want to tell you about our community. We have a private group for subscribers. There you can practice your speaking skills by talking about the stories and other topics. You can also ask questions and correct your mistakes. Every week we post a new speaking topic, and the best videos get $100. You can download the videos and listen to them when you're offline. We have students from all over the world in this community, from Brazil and Italy to the USA, the UK, China, and more. All of our students are awesome, and I want to send a big shout out to the best supporters. Thank you very much for your support. Now I want to ask you a question. Do you want to change the life of someone? Do you want to help someone in need? Please write yes or no in the comments. If you wrote yes, please share this video with a friend. By sharing our videos, you help us reach more English learners around the world. Now let's check your vocabulary. Write the new words from today's story in the comments. If you share this video and write all the new words correctly, I will give you a certificate. The first word is uncle. It's a family member. The father of your aunt is your uncle. The second word is warehouse. It's a large building for storing goods. The third word is dishonest. It means not honest. The opposite is honest. The fourth word is deal. It's an agreement between two people. The fifth word is return. It's the opposite of leave. If you help someone and that person gives you something in return, it means that he or she thanks you by giving you something. Now I want to thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.